Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I have this wire that I got here. This is one of these washing machine dryers or stove wires. It's kind of got a picture of a stove on it. So this is a 50 amp wire, and I got this because I have my new Tesla coming in, and I have here at this house here in Plano, I have a charger, but in Florida, I don't have a charger yet. So I got this wall box here. So I've got this one here. It's a 50 amp wall box, so it's gonna go on there. And then I was thinking, I'm not sure what I'm gonna actually do with this, but I was looking at this wire. This wire is heavy duty. But so this will plug into the outlet. So I have to mount it upside down. It'll plug into the outlet. I could do it that way or to go to the charger. But really what my thought was is I could use these wires and somehow just cut this wire and cut it up and make it work to go from this into my circuit breaker box, because it was cheaper than buying the same gauge wires individually, just to buy like a because I would have to buy like a 6 foot section of the 6 amp or 6A, whatever it is, the big heavy duty 6/2 wires. And so I would have to buy those, and those would be even more expensive, but it was cheaper to go this route to just buy one of these plugs, because this one was cheap and on sale. So I'm gonna use this one to run the wires through, and I'm only mounting it maybe, I'd say 6 inches or a foot away from the circuit breaker box. So it doesn't have to go very far. So I'm still gonna have a whole ton of extra of this wire too. So that's kind of what I got this one for. So we're gonna give this one a shot. This one actually has two wires that are 8/2, these two thin ones, and then these two 6/2 ones. So I'll probably use just these two, the red and black, and just double up on those. So instead of going the other route, just because I wanna have the thicker gauge wires, because you wanna have the right wires to go to the outlet. So I'll have the wire and I'll have the outlet, and I'll be good to go. So, and it'll be going through the conduit, and it'll be right next to the power, the circuit breaker box. So I'll probably end up just stripping off all the black stuff anyway. So should work fine. But I'm gonna put a link to this in the description if you wanna pick one of these up from yourself. It's just a range cord, just a basic wire. But, and be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other things to review soon. Take care, everyone, bye.